This mom kept hearing weird noises coming from her dryer vent, and after a while she realized something had to be stuck inside. So she removed the entire vent pipe outside and asked her neighbor to help figure out what was stuck inside. But getting it out was much harder than they expected. Whatever was trapped inside kept clinging on, almost like it didn't want to be found. They tried everything and it still refused to come out. Then she finally discovered one move that left it with nowhere left to hide. And when it finally came out, nobody could believe what it was. I'll show you. But first, be honest, if money matters more than your mom, feel free to scroll. But if your mom means everything to you, take a second to like, subscribe, and share this. And if you really love your mom with all your heart, drop a heart emoji in the comments. Now watch closely.